Hi everyone, I'm Kseny. I have a lot of clients who work as a hairdressers or beauticians, and they tend to hold a lot of tension in their upper back, especially the neck and shoulders, and also develop a bad posture due to their work. I've designed this short Qigong routine to help tackle issues like this and release some of that tension. Let's begin. Stand up nice and tall, relax your whole body. Begin by massaging the right shoulder with your left hand, applying a little pressure. Massage the muscles to release tension and relax the shoulders. Then go ahead and do the same on the other side. If you have tight shoulders, imagine your muscle is like a sponge, and every time you squeeze it, all the tension and dirt is draining away, leaving the sponge clean and soft. Relax the hands down. Now, do the same to the neck. Place an open palm on your neck and massage the muscles gently, applying the same tactic, draining away the bad and leaving it nice and soft. Change hands and massage on the other side for a few more seconds. Next, with an open palm, tap the bottom of the neck and between the shoulder blades. By tapping this area, we stimulate the vital acupressure points that help to improve blood and energy flow to the head. Change hands and tap for a few more seconds. Relax your hands down and gently shake them off to loosen up. Next, we do shoulder rotation. Gently rotate your shoulders forward 4 times. And then do 4 rotations backwards. Relax the hands down and soften the upper body. Move the hands out to the side and squeeze your shoulder blades together. Then release, relax the muscles of the upper back. And notice a shift in sensations inside, like a warm wave of relaxation spreading around your upper back. Notice how with each release, your upper back and shoulders begin to relax more and more. Then do the opposite. Move the shoulders forward, cross your hands and round your back and neck. Then release the position and observe the sensations inside, especially around your chest and your shoulders. Don't rush. Let your muscles relax and soften every time you release the position. Next, slowly raise your shoulders up towards the ears. Squeeze them tight. Hold this position, then gently release down. Pay attention to the sensations inside. Every time you release the position, your muscles begin to relax more and more. Next, pull your arms down and feel the stretch in your neck and shoulders. Then slowly release and soften the upper body. Repeat 3 more times. When you're finished, relax your whole body and swing gently from side to side to relax the upper back and loosen up. The next movement is from Qigong Muscle Changing Classic Routine. Raise your hands to about shoulder height. Pull yourself forward with the wrists, lengthening through the arms as far as you can. Then release the tension and relax the shoulders, the elbows and the wrists. Now slowly bring your hands to the chest and open to the side. Stretch out through the fingers, then release gently. Relax the shoulders, the elbows and the wrist. Repeat the same again. Then slowly turn the palms up and raise the hands above the head. Flex the wrist and press out gently. Keep your feet on the floor and lengthen through the spine upward. Then release the tension. Repeat the same again. Slowly relax the hands down and soften the whole body. I hope you already feel nice and relaxed. Let's do a couple of gentle twists to relax and let go even more. Now raise your hands up in front of you. Begin doing gentle waves with your fingers. Try to relax the wrist and the fingers as much as you can. Imagine as if you are touching a soft cotton pads with your fingers. This is very good for relaxing your hands and fingers, increase blood flow to the hands and improve flexibility. Do that for about 30 seconds. The next movement is called pushing the wave. Imagine as if your hands are sliding on the water and gently push forward like you're pushing a big wave. Keep your body nice and relaxed. Notice how your arms feel, almost as if your hands are moving through something warm and solid. Then slowly move your hands out to the side, open the chest, as if a big wave is moving towards you and you hold it with the open hands. Then slowly push the wave forward with the whole body. Feel a little resistance, but not too much. Keeping it nice and easy. Letting your whole body relax and let go of any tension. Now, take a nice deep inhale and round your hands in front of you. Exhale out and down. Relax your neck, shoulders and arms by the side. And take a moment here to notice how you feel. There is a sense of warmth and comfort inside of the arms, around your chest and the upper back. Your shoulders are relaxed. The blood and energy is circulating up and down the spine. You feel calm yet energized. Thank you very much for watching. I really hope you enjoy this routine and feel better. So let me know how it goes for you in the comments below. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you next time.